Let's go in. Jump the seat.
What?
Oh, here.
Oh, wow. Look at all of them. They look so nice. Thank you, birdies. I think. Now, Toby, how do you feel? Okay.
Hi, I'm Matt with Grafted Branch Homestead.
I'm Casey.
You're who?
Farmer Casey.
Farmer Casey. Today we're in the kitchen and we're going to be looking at a special book. Hey Casey.
Hi.
All right, so today we got a special book. Now in here we got two of Verna Young's cookbooks. Quail in the Kitchen, Everything Pickled, and then we have Quail in the Kitchen 2. So we're gonna pick a recipe that we'll make something, maybe for dinner.
Mm-hmm.
You wanna pick one there?
Yeah, I get this. The golden yellow corn.
Golden yellow cornbread with quail eggs. Okay, so we can make this one as long as we have all the ingredients. Do you think we have all the ingredients?
I think
Oh man, how convenient. Look at that there. And 20 quail eggs.
it's definitely not like we already prepared this.
All right, let's get to it. All right, so that's the recipe we're gonna follow, Casey. So let me grab our things and we'll get to it. All right, so let's see. What's the first step here?
Let's see.
You wanna read step 1?
In a bowl, combine cornmeal, flour, baking powder,
All right, so we'll
and
need
salt.
and salt. So we need a bowl,
We need.
and the first thing it says is cornmeal, right?
Do we got the cornmeal?
We got some cornmeal here, and we want to add 2 cups. Let me grab our cup measure.
Yes. Cup measure montage.
We got our 1 cup here. You want to go ahead, and I'm going to pour. Hold that, you got it? Okay. Let me pour. Ooh. And we want 2, right? 2 cups of cornmeal. 1. Okay, that's good. 2. What's the next thing?
Now we need flour.
All right, and how much does it say?
It's
By the way, this, let's see, photo and recipe by P.J. Walker. So thank you, Verna, for the book. Thank you, P.J. Walker, for this recipe. All right, so flour. 2 cups as well?
Yep.
All right. We want to shake this up because you don't want it real compact.
You want your flour to be fluffy.
The fluffy flour. All right, you want to scoop it in, and we'll get 2 cups.
Oh, there's
There's
a
a cracker that keeps out moisture. Shake it kind of in there. Let's see, let me put a little bit more on. We'll use our cracker. I don't even know if I'm okay, dump that.
You give it a little bit more, right?
Yep, we'll get another scoop.
Yeah.
Brendan shot. Wait. No, don't dump it yet. We want to make sure we have a cup. So you want to make sure it's measured in here before you just start dumping it in. Otherwise, we're not going to know how much. So baking, you want to be a little more precise than cooking. So we want to make sure we got the right amount. So we got 2 cups of cornmeal.
Sorry if we're not in the
2
picture.
cups of flour. What's the next ingredient we want to add?
We need baking powder.
The baking powder. Does it say how much? Let's see, where is it? Baking powder. So 2 TBSP. 2 tablespoons. Okay. Here, let's come over here. All right, so I don't know where our tablespoon is. This is a teaspoon, but I can tell you there's 3 teaspoons in 1 tablespoon.
Yep.
So if we need 2 tablespoons, how many teaspoons would we need?
6.
Very good. Now I'm gonna show you how and then let you, okay?
Okay.
So when you get it, you don't want it packed down real good, but you can you want it to fill it and then to scrape it off so it's more precise, like that. There's 1. Now we need 5 more.
Okay.
While you're doing that, I'm just gonna move this. Keep going. You're good.
Uh-oh, I lost count. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1 more. It's very easy to lose count with this, huh? All right, 5.
I don't.
So that's 6 total because I had put 1 in.
I don't know.
You're not so sure about that?
It's either 5 or 6, so
Pretty sure
we're going to find out, okay?
Okay, let's see. So what do we add next?
Now we need a dab of
Now, how
salt.
much salt? Well, we got to read. Does it say a dab? No.
How much salt? 2 tablespoons.
2 teaspoons. So look here, real quick. All right. So here it is 2 TSP. So that's teaspoons. So we want 2 of those, and you're gonna get it the same way. You want to make sure it's all the way filled, front to back, and then leveled. So see how we have an empty spot there? That's what we don't want because we're gonna lose a lot. Let me show you on 1, and then I'll let you get 1. Okay?
Okay.
So it's easiest if you scoop it all to one side, so you can get a nice, good full scoop, and then we'll just shake it off like that.
Okay.
So there's 1, and you want to do 1 more? There you go. Okay, and dump it in. Very good.
That's the extra
Okay.
salt I missed.
That's good. All right, now.
No.
All right, very good.
Okay.
Okay, step 2.
In a separate bowl, combine honey, eggs, and milk. Mix well. So, bowl.
All right, what's the first one?
Honey.
Honey. And how much?
We need a half a cup of honey.
A half a cup.
Of honey. But at least the honey won't go bad.
Yep, so honey gets kind of hard, or it crystallizes, real honey, as it sits, but it's still good. You can heat it up a little bit and you'll get liquid again. All right, so we got our honey melted now, or more so in the liquid form, right? And we want a half cup.
So about.
So right there, you want to pour that into this new bowl.
Oh, it's very
It's
liquidy.
very hot, be careful, it's kind of warm.
And liquidy. Oh, that chunk doesn't want to leave.
That's all right, let's
Our honey is.
see. Okay. Ingredient we need to add.
Okay, now we gotta add eggs.
Eggs, and so this calls for 20 quail eggs. And these are washed now. And so we're gonna crack them and then beat them real good in here. So we'll be right back with some cracked eggs.
Da, 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 da.
Okay, so we got our 20 quail eggs and we want to beat them. Sometimes I think the best way you can break them like this and then like that, but you don't want to make sure they don't come out.
Give me. Here.
Like this.
Okay.
You just agitate them real good. Honey, eggs, and milk. Oh, you're right. We do the butter later, I guess, huh?
Milk.
Okay, so I didn't get the milk. Would you grab that from the fridge, please?
Yep. This is half a cup, right?
Nope, that's a full cup. 1, 2. You want to set that aside real quick?
Yes.
Alright. Let's set this aside real quick. I'll set it over here for just a sec.
Our beautiful, beautiful glass
We got our
blue
pan. Let me scoot back a little bit. There we go. Okay, we want to grease the pan. It says to grease it. So we have our spray here.
Ancient grease it.
So this is olive oil. You want to spray some of that in there?
Yes.
This is so things don't stick on the pan.
How do you spray it? Do you just go real quick?
Let me show you. Want to get the other half? There you go. That's good. Now this says to add the butter so it melts in here, right?
Yep.
But we already have it melted, but that's all right. We'll just go ahead and add it. So that's what it says. And dump it in. The recipe says put it at 400.
Yes.
And then to put the pan in there and let it heat up. Okay? So we'll do that.
I found it.
Okay, look. Okay. So grease a 9 by 13 pan, add butter, and pop it in the oven while preheating to 400 degrees, just until the butter melts. So the butter's melted already. So we're just gonna leave the pan in there till it gets warm, I guess. So that's the only thing we haven't done. Pour liquid mixture over the dry ingredients and mix until it's blended. So we wanna pour the liquid over the dry and mix. We're gonna need a bigger bowl.
Yeah. So.
Okay, so we'll put our dry in this one. You want to grab, and then we're gonna mix. So let me see here. Let me grab this for you. Do it. Make sure. Do it real well. And it says to pour it over, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. Now what's? There we go.
Now we mix.
Now what's it say? So pour liquid mixture over dry ingredients and mix until blended. Careful. You want to use a fork to mix it? Sometimes that's easier.
I am concentrated.
That'll make sense. So let's mix it real good. And I'm gonna go and pull that butter out now.
Can I just say a joke?
What's your joke?
It's. So I have came to a conclusion. So, brownies are just scrambled eggs, and I've done all my research, and turns out they are, just with a couple ingredients.
Yes.
Scrambled eggs.
Okay, is that mixed real well?
I am mixing.
Right, Mr. Mad Scientist. It says pour in melted butter and mix quickly, just as to incorporate the butter into the, pour batter into the hot pan. Oh, okay. So you keep mixing while I pour this in. Mix real good. Mix it in.
I'm trying, but there's hot butter pouring
Because this
over.
one's hot.
And
So we're gonna pour that in.
look at
We need a
that.
spatula.
Beautiful
I'm
batter.
gonna scrape out the rest.
No. They're good at scraping.
Awesome. Okay. Now what's the next step say?
Next step. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes till golden brown.
All right, so we'll put it in the oven.
Voila.
Now hop down. Come over here. And now we patiently wait. Okay. Okay. Got it. Looks like a nice consistency.
Should I still be standing here?
All right, Casey, so we got our quail egg cornbread, right?
Bread.
Ready to try it?
Yep.
Okay. Here you go.
Okay.
What do you think? You want to try the mama?
No, really good.
That is good. Hey, Keith. Should we see if Bubba wants some?
Yep.
So this is a good recipe. So thank you, Verna, for putting the book together. And let's see, who was it that did the recipe? Thank you, PJ Walker, for your recipe. That's a good recipe there, PJ. So what's the difference between this and other cornbread? To me, it tastes a little more like moist, kind of creamy.
Yeah. A little bit dry, but.
Oh, look, we got a special guest. You want to come over here, Keith? Hop in Farmer Casey's chair. Oh.
Hi, Social.
Hello.
Hello.
Would you like to try some quail egg cornbread?
Sure.
All right.
It's good.
This is very good.
Good stuff. You guys can try it too. Oh,
Wait, where do the dogs want some?
they want to try some. Solo?
Nom, 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 nom.
Don't bite me.
All right.
That's
Thank
our
you.
cornbread. Remember to hit the thumbs up and subscribe.
Chewy.
Party pooper.